Welcome back and welcome to this new section called JavaScript and the DOM. And in this video we're going to take a brief overview of exactly what the DOM is. The DOM is short for the Document Object Model, and I'm just on the Wikipedia page for the Document Object Model, and you can find out some more information just on there. And it starts by saying the DOM is a cross-platform and language independent convention for representing and interacting with objects in HTML, XHTML, and XML documents. So you may be wondering exactly what that means. So to keep it simple, all the sections or elements or all the nodes in every document or web page is organized into a tree-like structure. And if we go over to the W3 Schools section on the DOM, you can probably get a better idea of exactly what's going on. So you can see a visual diagram of all the HTML DOM tree of objects. So this is our basic web page, which starts off with the document right up at the top. And we've used that before in this course when we've been selecting elements by ID. So we started with document and then get element by ID. So we've got document right at the top of the tree, and then all the different elements on the web page are branched down from the document. So we've got the head section, and then we've got the body section, which are the main two elements inside the HTML root element. And this should all look fairly familiar from a HTML web page. So within the head section, we've got a title. Within the body section, we've got the attributes, the elements, such as the headings, the anchors, and then all the text contained within those. So you may be wondering what this has got to do with JavaScript. Well, basically, JavaScript can make web pages dynamic, because JavaScript can control or manipulate all of the elements in the DOM tree. So we can grab any one of these elements and we can override it, we can manipulate it, we can add to, we can add certain attributes or elements, we can change CSS styles or even remove any of these elements. And in the next few videos we'll be taking a deeper look at how we can access these elements and how we can manipulate these elements. But before we do that, I just wanted to give you a brief overview of exactly how we can do that and why the DOM is important to JavaScript. But for now, the main thing to understand is how a HTML document is laid out, and also understand that JavaScript can access and manipulate all of the elements in the DOM tree. So we'll now move on to the next video and we'll take a look at how we can access all of the elements inside this DOM tree.